actually haven't told anyone this.
Benefit owes you an apology.
I think this is the deepest liquid highlighter I've seen. I am launching my own
Hi, Tatenda.
Hello.
Welcome to Friends with Benefits.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming on. I'm so excited. There's so much to talk to you about.
No.
Let's jump in with my first question. So, first of all, you're a fiance.
I am.
Can you show the camera? I am so obsessed.
I know, me too.
Can you tell me the story? How did he propose? How did you guys meet? Tell me the full thing.
From the start.
From the start.
I met my now fiance whilst I was with my ex.
Yep.
So that was fun.
Mm-hmm.
I met his friend when I was out on the streets, like filming for a YouTube video or like for a music video.
Mm-hmm.
And I met her and she introduced me to him. And I was like, oh, hi, how are you? It was very cute.
But we were just,
I know. But we were just friends for about a year and a bit. And then I was single and I was like, oh, hey.
Oh, hey, did you slide into the DMs? Like, what happened there?
A little. Yeah, it was definitely me. But he was like, I'm studying. I have exams. I'm too busy for this. I was like, no, you're not. You will make room for me. And he did. And so now we're here.
I love that.
But when he proposed, we were in Japan, which was so beautiful.
Yeah.
And it was autumn. It's like our favorite season, autumn, winter. And he proposed on this bridge that's about the moon and two lovers meeting on the bridge. And he told me the meaning about it afterwards, and I just bawled my eyes out. It was so beautiful.
Oh, so he had the whole backstory planned, like the storytelling of that moment. That's
So I specifically looked for that one.
And you had a videographer as well.
We did.
Did he organize that secretly? Like, how did that happen?
No. So one of our friends ended up booking a trip to Japan that like overlapped with our trip, and he just happened to be there, which was so good. And I love the video. I look at it every week.
Oh, you are an insane TikTok creator. You've got like 2-point-something million followers on TikTok.
I do.
How did you get into being a content creator and deciding that you wanted to post tutorials and makeup and fashion and beauty online?
Yeah, I feel like it's something that I've grown up with. Because you know how you just like, you grew up with like the Savage Squad on YouTube and stuff. So it's something that I've always loved but never thought I could do. But I had a viral video on TikTok. I was house sitting at a friend's house and I just got really bored and I made a couple of videos. I posted them all at once, went to sleep, and I woke up and it was viral.
What was the video?
It was, I hate it now. It was like a reaction video to a sound, and there was just something about my face that people really enjoyed looking at.
And then from there you were just like, let's just keep going, let's keep posting videos, keep creating content online.
Yeah, it was actually my fiance that convinced me to keep going, because there were times where I was like, oh, you know what, this isn't for me.
Yeah.
And he was just like, no, it is for you. And
we love a supportive boyfriend. That's so cute.
What a supportive king.
Now, speaking of TikTok and makeup and everything, you create the most beautiful, elaborate and detailed makeup looks. I'll put some of them on the screen. They're just so gorgeous. How do you think of these beautiful looks to create? Are you just like, I'm going to put butterflies on my face one day, and then like, how does that all come about?
I want to say Pinterest.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like
that's your biggest like source of inspiration.
I feel like I've always been obsessed with makeup and beauty. I think because my first love is fashion, and I think makeup and beauty just flows after that, just the whole space in general.
Okay, so speaking of fashion, you have a bit of have you announced this anywhere? Like, do people know about this?
I've been doing like the sneaky posts on Instagram, like little like sneak peek, but I haven't actually fully said it out loud.
Do you want to say it?
So I am launching my own clothing brand called Luna Kasima.
Oh my God.
So excited.
I am so excited. And sneak peek, you were wearing some of the looks to Fashion Week.
I have been. I'm wearing another look today as well. It's something I knew I've always wanted to do. Ever since I was little, I would always like design clothes, make clothes. And it was just something that I really wanted to come back to. And I felt like right now is a good time for me to come back to it. So.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so when does this launch?
I'm thinking August, September, towards the end of the year.
Stay tuned. Actually, Benefit owes you an apology because we completely hypnotized Tatenda.
Yeah, we did.
And I thought I'd use this opportunity to say sorry about that, but also it was hilarious and I want to talk about that story. So basically, when we launched FanFest, myself and a few of the benefit team went down to Melbourne. We did a little event and the whole event was about tripping out on fully fanned out lashes.
Yeah.
With our new FanFest mascara.
Yeah.
And so we thought, what a great idea. Let's get a hypnotist in and hypnotize some of the creators. And Tatenda was one of the victims.
I truly was. I was one of the victims.
Do you remember what happened? Because I do have some footage I can probably find. I can probably dig it up and put it in.
That is your truth. That is your reality. 1, 2, wide awake. Now. Good. Sitting up. Good. You're going to laugh like a wicked, wicked witch.
What, was going through your mind when he completely hypnotized you?
Do you know what the funny thing is? So I'm somebody that always has, an inner monologue going. Do you have the inner voice?
I have an inner voice. I'd like it to stop sometimes.
Yes. And it stopped when I was being hypnotized. It's the most quiet it's ever been in there.
So it was
nothing.
Quiet, nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Maybe
And so I'm like, I would love to get hypnotized
again.
Yeah. But he did hypnotize me to not be scared of spiders.
That's right. I was going to ask about that. So part of the process was you had to explain something that you were terrified about.
Yeah.
And then he said to you, you are no longer going to be scared of spiders after this event.
Yeah.
I have a question. Are you still scared of spiders?
Definitely afraid.
Okay. So why the sudden decision to chop off all of your hair?
You know, my sister called me that afternoon and she was like, are you okay? Because I had this horrible allergic reaction to a hair product and my scalp was just stinging. It was insane. That day specifically was the worst day. And then I also just felt a bit creatively dull. So I was like, I just need something new because I'd been chemically straightening my hair for the last 2 years. And I was just a bit over it. And it's like, hair grows back.
Change. Hair grows back.
It does grow back.
You just needed to change. And I love that. And stop that you did it with your fiance on camera. And
He was so not having it. He was like, Sam, just think about it. Just take a moment. It just sounds like it's a rash decision. But it's been on my Pinterest board. It had been on my Pinterest board for weeks beforehand.
Can I just say you're rocking it? I love the short hair on you.
Thank you.
I'm obsessed with it. I fully thought this was real, that you were bleaching your eyebrows. But no, you're just using concealer.
Yes. I could never bleach my eyebrows. I'm too scared.
Okay.
I'm too scared.
Any tips for people who want to try that with concealer but don't want to make the leap into fully bleaching their brows just now?
Definitely brush your brows out first before you do it.
Do you put any product in, brow gel afterwards, or it's just concealer?
No, I usually do the gel before.
Gel before, okay.
Yeah.
And are you a 24-hour brow setter girl? Are you a fluff up? What is your brow product of choice to put in your fake bleach brows before you put concealer in there?
On a day-to-day basis, it's a 24-hour. Mm-hmm. And then with the concealer brows, it's the fluff up one because it still stays a little bit off of my skin. Yes. That makes sense.
And a bit more flexible as well when a wax is versus a gel. Obviously, when you're then going back in and brushing them over again with concealer and then brushing them into shape. Do you notice that your brows are a bit drier because you're putting a lot more product in than usual?
I use the brow oil every night, usually after my skincare routine. I do.
I've got it here. So you use our Woah So Soft brow oil.
Yes.
Every single night.
Yes. So I got it after the first time I visited the brow bar.
Yes.
And I got a little sample to go with after I laminated everything, obviously. And I was like, I love this so much. I need the full set.
You're a blush girly.
Through and through.
Through and through. Okay. What is your favorite Benefit blush that you love using?
Java. I've been using that specific blush for, I want to say 4 years.
It is my favorite. It's just this gorgeous, deep kind of almost like a maroony chocolate shade.
It's stunning. Especially for deeper complexions. I feel like it adds depth and color at the same time.
Yes. So this is our brand new Julala liquid highlighter. And I want to show you because we've got some really gorgeous deeper shades as well. Yeah, so this is our Comet shade. And I want to get your first impressions of this. And I'm using our Aurora shade in our brand new Julala. And my favorite thing about this is that you can mix it with your moisturizer, you can mix it with your foundation, you can mix it with your Benny tint. I've been loving mixing it with Benny tint as well.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. Do you know what? I think this is the deepest liquid highlighter I've seen.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Ever, I want to say. Do you know what? I have an evening event and I feel like I'd put this on
Body?
décolletage.
Yes,
you know?
Absolutely.
And it blends in so beautifully.
Okay, what is your worst beauty habit that you have?
Oh, my worst beauty habit might be not cleaning my beauty blenders.
I don't do that either. So
Well, I recently got this PR package from Beauty Blender and it has 12. So I've just not been cleaning them and opening a new one each time.
Have you seen those those viral TikToks of people cutting into beauty blenders and there's mold all them? It has scared me. We should. It has scared me, but maybe not scared me enough to actually replace them. So,
But, you know, I feel like it's good for building your immunity.
I agree.
If the world were to end, we would be the last ones standing.
I mean, would we? Us sitting in our pink robes saying that we would be the last people standing if there was an apocalypse?
I mean, we'll do it in style.
We would absolutely.
Yeah.
I can see us. It's like the zombie apocalypse happens and we're just running away from them in our pink robes. Iconic.
We could use our beauty blenders as weapons because they'd be toxic by
They
then.
would be toxic.
Yeah.
Full of chemicals in that. What is your favorite beauty hack?
My favorite beauty hack would be my freckles. So I use a bobby pin and I use my contour shade and I kind of swirl it around and then dab it on my face to make my freckles.
Love that. A bobby pin.
Yeah.
So good. I guess
It makes
it's
a perfect
little rounded.
And you get two at a go.
Oh,
and then you just like kind of stamp it.
Yes,
and
if you're
multiply
doing the fake freckles, make sure you like dab them kind of into your face so they look a bit more natural as well.
Yes. But I would say anyone's contour shade works perfect for freckles as opposed to like, I don't know, some people use like black or like too dark of browns.
Yeah.
But whatever your contour shade is, it's perfect for your freckles.
Yeah. And you want it to be a little bit warmer as well because obviously when you think of freckles, you think of like a very sun-kissed look. You've been out in the sun, it's summertime. So yeah, make sure it has that warmth underneath it as well.
Yeah.
When are you getting married? And do you have wedding plans? Do you have a dress? Do you have anything sorted for it?
Okay. So actually I haven't told anyone this. I know.
I'm so on it.
All of my secrets.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
The pink house has that. It has that effect on
It
people.
does. So I recently posted a video trying on a bunch of wedding dresses and I felt like I looked like a bit child bridey. Like I looked like such a baby. And so I said I was on this wedding dress search journey, but I've actually found the one. I found my dress. I have. Yes. So I'm actually getting it custom made. I know. I'm so excited.
Oh, okay, so you've got the dress.
Yeah. The two dresses.
Two dress, iconic.
Yeah.
I mean, I
had
didn't
to.
expect anything.
We
else
need an
from
outfit
you.
change.
Yeah, absolutely. It's giving main character.
It is.
Okay, so we've got the dress. Do we have a date?
No. We're thinking somewhere towards the end of November next year because we're winter babies. So we're thinking like Christmas in New York for a honeymoon or like Japan again, like the snow.
Yeah.
It's so lovely.
And wouldn't that be so like full circle to go back there after your
yes,
like
it would.
after you got, that's where you got proposed to. So beautiful. Okay, haven't got a date. We've got a dress. Any other details that you can share with us that we should know about the upcoming wedding? Wedding of the century, I might add.
Truly. I just feel like I won't be a fiance again. So I really want to milk it.
Yeah. Oh, you should absolutely be milking it. I say, make it go for as long as possible. That's what I would do.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friends with Benefit. Now, don't forget to subscribe and please like this video, comment if you have any more questions for Tatenda because I'm sure we can shoot them over to her and let me know who you would like as our next guest. Thank you so much, Tatenda.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.